be, or not to be. You and I were meant to be.
This wonderful plastic toys are perfect for your children. They can enhance their imagination and cognitive skills. Playtime Co. invites you to support the Fostering Happiness, a project developed by our founder Elliot Ludwig. For every purchase of our adorable toys, help support those children in needs. As we always says, nobody leaves without a toy.
You need to get out of here.
Create Cappy now for only $2.99.
The following message is being transmitted by the 297th Wireless Engineering and Interception Regiment of the United States Army, at the request of the United States Office of Foreign Intervention and Relations. This is an important message to the citizens and inhabitants of the state of Japan. We are pleased to inform you that your nation has now come under the protection of the United States of America and the brave men and women of our armed forces. We come in peace. We are here for your protection. Our aim is to assist you in vanquishing the harmful culture of cartoonists and their prodders, in the language commonly known as manga and anime. In eliminating the new and all motion pictures, broadcasts, and print depicting this malicious art form, we will save the youth of your country and the rest of the world from falling victim to this indecent and immature culture. To this end, it is now illegal for your country to produce any forms of cartoons or animations. President Donald J. Trump will be speaking on all channels shortly and provide further details about this prohibition.